Hi guys, welcome back to Grow Photography and another street photography adventure. I'm out here today at Toronto City Hall. It is right down in the downtown core, so you get a lot of people coming here after work. I'm here just later in the afternoon, around 5 o'clock right now. So I'm hoping to catch a lot of traffic of people coming here after work. Also, you've got a lot of tourists around. A lot of tourists with cameras, and a lot of them snapping pictures with their phones, etc. Some of the really nice architecture around here will sort of invite a lot of people to get over here. So here's the City Hall itself, and looking all around you, this is more or less the square in City Hall. Watching these tourists in action, making memories with their camera phones, reminds me of just how there is such an athleticism to making pictures. The act of making pictures, even more evident in these amateurs, is the force and will to find the perfect picture of their loved ones or their newfound places, as in this case, our Toronto City Hall. It's baffling to think that in this year alone, over 1 trillion pictures will be made. Nothing short of amazing. The question becomes, what will we do with all these pictures? I, as a street photographer, am conscious of the fact that it is a great responsibility to document with the utmost clarity these incredible events around us. Are you guys tourists?
Yeah, tourists.
How do you like Toronto?
This is my first time.
Oh, okay.
We have been just 1 hour. Just 1 hour.
Did you catch it in midair?
Yeah.
You got it.
Yeah.
Oh, good, very good. Where are you guys from?
Dallas? I mean,
Oh, you're from the States, Dallas.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh. On this outing today, I had with me my trusted Pentax K3, fitted with a 50mm f1.4 lens. That's for most of my shooting. I also brought along my 21mm f3.2 lens.
the update, so we can build Toronto. So
Oh, very good. Okay, so I'll get out of your way, sure. Okay, enjoy. Are you a tourist here?
yes, three.
Okay. Alberta. Oh, nice. Why would you come here? It's so beautiful and Banff.